For coffee lovers, a French press is an essential tool that delivers rich, flavorful coffee without the need for complicated machinery. This brewing method is known for bringing out the full depth of flavor from your coffee grounds, making it a favorite among enthusiasts. Whether you're a seasoned coffee connoisseur or someone just starting your coffee journey, having the right French press can make all the difference. Number 1. Stainless steel French press coffee maker, 1000 milliliters. If you're looking for durability combined with sleek design, the stainless steel French press coffee maker is a standout choice. This product is built to last, thanks to its double-walled stainless steel construction, which ensures that your coffee stays hot for longer without the risk of breaking or cracking as with glass French presses. Its 1000 milliliters capacity makes it perfect for serving a small group or for those who love indulging in more than one cup at a time. The polished surface adds a touch of modern elegance, making it a lovely addition to any kitchen countertop. When it comes to brewing, the stainless steel French press delivers a consistently smooth and rich flavor, extracting the full essence of your coffee grounds. Its heat-retaining capability ensures that your coffee stays at the perfect drinking temperature for up to 2 hours, allowing you to enjoy a leisurely morning or afternoon without needing to reheat your brew. Key features: durable construction. Made from premium stainless steel, this French press is designed to last for years without rusting, cracking, or breaking. Double-wall design. This ensures that your coffee stays hotter for longer, maintaining the optimal drinking temperature. Easy to clean. Its stainless steel material is easy to clean and maintain, offering a hassle-free experience. Large capacity. With a 1000 milliliters capacity, it's perfect for serving multiple cups of coffee in one brew. Elegant design. A polished stainless steel exterior adds a stylish, modern touch to your kitchen. Number 2. Glass French press coffee maker with stainless steel frame. For those who appreciate a more traditional French press design, the glass French press coffee maker with a stainless steel frame is a classic option. This French press uses a heat-resistant borosilicate glass carafe that allows you to see your coffee brewing process, providing a more immersive experience. The glass body is housed within a sleek stainless steel frame that not only provides stability but also adds a sophisticated touch to its design. This French press is lightweight and easy to handle, making it perfect for daily use. With its precise filtration system, you can enjoy a smooth, sediment-free cup of coffee. Its user-friendly design ensures that even beginners can brew a perfect cup with minimal effort. Whether you're brewing for yourself or a group, the glass French press coffee maker offers a reliable and enjoyable experience every time. Key features: borosilicate glass, heat-resistant and durable. This glass carafe ensures you can enjoy watching the brewing process while avoiding cracks and breakages. Stainless steel frame adds both durability and a sleek design element, while providing extra stability. Precision filter system ensures that no coffee grounds end up in your cup, giving you a clean, smooth brew. Lightweight design, easy to handle and pour, perfect for regular use. Classic aesthetic. The glass and stainless steel combination offers a timeless look that complements any kitchen. Number 3. Portable French press coffee travel mug, 350 milliliters. For coffee lovers who are always on the go, the portable French press coffee travel mug is a fantastic solution. This unique French press combines the convenience of a travel mug with the brewing power of a French press, allowing you to make your coffee anywhere and anytime. With a capacity of 350 milliliters, it's perfect for personal use, providing just enough coffee to keep you energized throughout the day. Made from stainless steel and featuring a double-walled, vacuum-sealed design, this travel-friendly French press keeps your coffee hot for hours, ensuring that you don't have to compromise on temperature or flavor while on the go. Its compact size makes it easy to carry in a bag or backpack, making it ideal for commuters, travelers, or anyone with a busy lifestyle. Key features: Travel-friendly design, a portable, all-in-one solution for brewing and enjoying coffee on the go. Insulated stainless steel, double-walled, vacuum-sealed construction keeps coffee hot for hours. Compact size, with a 350 ml capacity, it's perfect for individual use, fitting easily in bags or backpacks. Leak-proof lid, the secure, spill-resistant lid ensures you can carry it confidently without worrying about leaks. Easy to use, brew your coffee directly in the mug for the ultimate convenience, whether you're at home or out and about. Number 4. French press coffee maker with bamboo lid, 800 ml. Eco-conscious coffee drinkers will love the French press coffee maker with a bamboo lid. This French press offers a stylish and sustainable alternative to traditional metal and plastic options. The natural bamboo lid adds a touch of warmth and uniqueness to the design, while the glass carafe allows you to see your coffee as it brews, giving you complete control over the strength of your brew. With its 800 ml capacity, this French press is ideal for couples or small gatherings. The plunger mechanism is smooth and effective, ensuring that your coffee is brewed to perfection without sediment ending up in your cup. The bamboo lid not only looks great, but is also environmentally friendly, making this French press a great choice for those who prioritize sustainability in their daily lives. Key features. Bamboo lid, eco-friendly and sustainable. The bamboo lid adds a unique, natural touch to the design. Glass carafe. The heat-resistant glass carafe ensures durability and lets you watch the brewing process. Smooth plunger system provides a clean brew without any coffee grounds, giving you a smooth cup every time. Medium capacity. The 800 ml size is perfect for smaller households or intimate gatherings. Stylish design. The combination of bamboo and glass creates a modern, eco-conscious aesthetic. Number 5. French press coffee maker with built-in thermometer, 1000 ml. For those who take their coffee brewing seriously, the French press coffee maker with a built-in thermometer is an excellent choice. This model features a stainless steel body with a built-in thermometer on the lid, allowing you to monitor the temperature of your brew to ensure optimal extraction. With a 1000 ml capacity, this French press is perfect for serving multiple cups, making it great for entertaining guests or for those who like to enjoy multiple servings throughout the day. The thermometer is a key feature that sets this French press apart from others on the market. By ensuring that your coffee is brewed at the perfect temperature, typically between 195 degrees Fahrenheit and 205 degrees Fahrenheit, you can achieve a more flavorful and balanced cup of coffee. The stainless steel design ensures durability and heat retention, while the double filter system guarantees a smooth, sediment-free brew. Key features. Built-in thermometer allows you to monitor the temperature of your brew, ensuring optimal extraction and flavor. Stainless steel construction, durable and heat-retaining. The stainless steel body ensures your coffee stays hot for longer. Double filter system provides a clean, smooth cup of coffee with minimal sediment. Large capacity. With a 1000 ml capacity, it's perfect for brewing multiple servings. Elegant design. The polished stainless steel finish and built-in thermometer give this French press a modern, sophisticated look. Conclusion. Each of these top 5 French presses offers a unique combination of design, functionality, and capacity, allowing you to choose the best fit for your lifestyle and coffee preferences. Whether you're looking for a portable option, a stylish addition to your kitchen, or a model with extra features like a thermometer, these French presses from Aliexpress provide a range of options to brew the perfect cup every time.